our celebration, we invite everyone to please rise. Hadirin Dimukhang Berdiri for the entry of colors, to be followed by the singing.
Mr. Erwin Sidlumong, Regional Head of the Directorate General of Immigration, Honorable Ramdani, Regional Head of the North Sulawesi Bureau of Corrections, Chief of North Sulawesi Regional Police,